Good evening, everybody. I hope you're doing well. It is Tuesday night, the 23rd of June. I'm going to give a brief update. On June 18th, there was a hearing in the Lindsay Clancy case, and there was some information that had not been determined at the end of the day, but it has been posted since, so I wanted to give an update to that. And just in case anybody was wondering, it is going to be televised. Court TV has been actively covering all of her pretrial hearings, and they are planning to broadcast the entire trial live, which will be starting on jury. I think jury selection is officially beginning on July 20th, and that will be at the Plymouth County Superior Court in Massachusetts. There is going to be one more hearing prior to that, and that will be on July 13th. But the hearing that just happened on the 18th, these are some new developments with that. This was Lindsay's first appearance in 4 months, and it brought several significant rulings that will shape the upcoming trial. The judge did confirm that both autopsy and the crime scene photographs will be admissible, allowing the prosecution to present graphic evidence to the jury. Additionally, the court ruled that Patrick Clancy's 911 call may be introduced, but it is pending the judge's personal review of the audio first. Information that came out today has given a pretty good indication that he is going to rule that that is admissible. In another notable decision, the judge approved a jury to view the Clancy home. However, they do not own that property any longer, and there were objections from the current homeowners, but that has been overruled. This ruling underscores the court's position that the physical layout of the home is very relevant to the prosecution's case. The defense argued that Lindsay should be excused from the courtroom during the presentation of any graphic evidence due to the potential emotional and psychological impact. The judge has not ruled on that request yet, and that should be announced on July 13th when they have the final hearing prior to the trial. The defense argued that Lindsay should be excused, and her doctors and medical team have also indicated that they think that is best considering her mental condition. So again, we'll find that out on the 13th. Prosecutors confirmed that Patrick Clancy, he will be testifying. The court has also imposed some restrictions on the mental health testimony. Only qualified medical experts may discuss Lindsay's diagnosis. Any non-expert witnesses, except for immediate family, are barred from offering any mental health opinions. Opinions are not going to be welcome at all in this case when it comes to her medical condition. Witnesses will be sequestered other than her immediate family, which is her parents and a sister. They can remain in the courtroom during the entire trial. The court scheduled, again, like I said, on the 20th of July. So the key points that came out today are that the autopsy and crime scene photos will be allowed. Excuse me. The 911 call is still pending judge review and should be announced on the 13th when they have their next hearing. Jury view of the Clancy home has been approved. The defense request to excuse Lindsay during graphic evidence is pending, and that should be also announced on the 13th of July. Patrick Clancy will be testifying. Mental health testimony is restricted to medical experts only. Her family members are the only ones that will not be sequestered from the witnesses. The next hearing is again on the 13th. They are planning to go full force with jury selection on the 20th. Again, those should be aired on Court TV, as they have been covering all of the Lindsay Clancy case hearings to date. These rulings set the stage for a highly structured and emotionally charged trial. With key evidence admitted and witness parameters have now been defined, the case now moves forward in its final pretrial hearing, and it's scheduled for the July trial date. This is, again, going to be an extremely emotional case. Having it televised is going to be also very emotional. I'm not sure how much of it will be televised when it comes to the graphic nature of the photographs that they have that they are going to show to the jury. I don't know that that is going to be televised. I would venture to say it probably will not be. If you're not up to date on this case, I have posted, I believe, 4 videos and a couple short videos as well. So you can catch up on it there. And if you have any questions, drop me a line and I will definitely get back to you with any information I can give you. And until then, I will update you after the hearing on the 13th of next month. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.